Chill.
Boys, it is finally time. I cannot believe we're finally to this point. To be honest, it's taken us a fair amount of time to get to this point. We launched Criminal Diesel in March of 2020, and ever since then we have been being asked non-stop about merchandise, hats, sweatshirts, keychains, koozies, all that stuff. And boys, it's finally time. Right now, November 15th of 2024, we are launching it. As you can see, we have the fleet, like half the fleet, let's be honest here. Nearly 5 years in the making. As you can see, fresh, crispy, launch edition t-shirts of Criminal Diesel. We cannot believe how well they turned out. This comes with a fully scannable barcode on the back, so you can show your friends. You can buy the shirt, show your friends. These are made out of Gildan soft style shirts, so extremely comfortable, better quality than anybody else produces on the YouTube market right now, at least for the price range. A shirt like this, a shirt of this quality, all across the board, they're marking them up at least to $30, $35 to try and gain a profit. That is not what we're here to do. We're here to provide you guys absolutely mint t-shirts at a solid price to expand the brand as much as possible. We got extra larges, we got mediums, we got larges, we got all the way up to 2XL, small to 2XL. We got every order. Not only comes in a qualified mailer, these are kind of just like a bonus for you guys. It's not really anything, even though I put a lot of work and time and effort into those, not really anything special. However, ever since I was a young boy, 4 years old when we started riding dirt bikes, you're buying $400 or $500 worth of dirt bike parts, side-by-side parts, truck parts, and they don't come with a complimentary decal. Unbelievable. I think it's unacceptable. So every single order that you order on criminalsupply.com will come with a Criminal Diesel decal. They will change order to order. Overall though, free decal with every single order, guaranteed. Quality decals, high quality t-shirts. Obviously everybody around here is more than willing to support. Hopefully you guys are too, wherever you may be. California, Alaska, wherever you guys are, we can ship. That brings me to my next point here. Boys, I spent a solid amount of money on this, not gonna lie, but I want to make sure that you guys are as much a part of this process as possible. So this is going straight up in my living room right here. So if you place an order, obviously you can see, zoom in on the red things there, you can see the orders that have already been placed here on the Criminal Diesel takeover map. We have the official Criminal Diesel logo right here. So if you guys place an order through the Criminal Diesel website, your pin gets put on this map. Obviously it doesn't go down to the exact address or whatever, but guys will be a part of this map permanently. I think that's something pretty cool that not anybody does really. So that's going, like I said, that's going straight up in the living room so we can watch that map grow. I actually want to bring that map back on camera in about a year or so after we do our Motorama launch, after we do pretty much all of our sales, right? I think that's gonna be a really neat thing for me personally to watch the brand grow. Obviously across the country. The more you guys support the channel by buying a piece of merchandise, the faster we can get more pieces of merchandise out and different products, stuff like that, whether it be keychains, koozies, truck parts, possibly, Yetis, everything. I have so many ideas of where I want this brand to go, and you guys are going to be along for the ride through the videos, through support, through the website link, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, all that kind of stuff. You guys can go ahead and hit this website link right here, criminalsupply.com. Scroll through. We've been working on this website for a long time now. It looks phenomenal in my opinion. I think it really portrays what we do here. Like I said, just criminalsupply.com, boys. It's finally here, launching today. If you're watching this video, it's launched. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.